kinde mabende magi duto timore pacho kae. Jatend piny William Ruto nyaka sani onge pacho kae, nyocho dhi e limbe mane pinyno mar German kachiel kod pinyno mar Belgium. Mano mabende pod entiere kuro, nowacho no dhi loso yore mopogore opogore mar jiwo tudruok e kind piny Kenya kod pinje ariyogo. Kata kamano wanyalo wacho ni entiere pinyno kata onge pacho kae, to wayo piny Kenya kanitiere kamarach. Kata kawuono kanono gazet kanwaneno machinglo mabendo ket kacha, gima wacho en ni piny Kenya nitiere kod kwe, lakini kwa ground twaneno ka piny Kenya to onge kama kare. Ponono ng'anyo makamagi ere kaka onyalo ketho tudruok mar piny Kenya kachiel kod pinje maoko, to bende mano nyalo kelo effect mane kwachako kodi Dr. Agnes?
Kamano Joyce, international relations and diplomatic relations, they ging'iyo kaka piny itayo. They relate with the country on the basis of democracy. Are we a democrat, as we say? Nikech, in a country where they hold the rules of democracy, freedom of expression, freedom of speech, freedom of being different is allowed. Iwinjo gima wacho? And so, gima wago koko mwa wacho weche mang'enygi is because the government has not done sorting out the difference between Raila as a person and as a leader that we went with through an election and what the people are saying. That's the streamline that they need to stream. Another thing, we have not moved away from campaigning. Because if I was the president of this country,
campaign,
both camps, even the government, because if I was the government today, I wouldn't be talking huyu tulimshinda election. I mean, a whole president after an election talking like that in Kisii, that's uncalled for. You would say, Wakenya, tunajua tuko na shida, tunajua ile kitu opposition inasema ni kweli, na mimi nimeweka mikakati hivi na hivi ndio tutafanya. But you know, you keep on promising things that you can't do, then people look at you and they say, this is hot air, the way you said it, or this is just baloney. Baloney in German means neither here or there. So what are we looking at? Let's have a government that has moved away from campaigning period. Let's have those of our leaders from Luoland, because this nganyo is not for Luos. Let me be very sincere here. Everybody kata jo Nakuru nyocha waneno jo Baringo kawachone giol askache ma oket mar mandamano onego ternigi, because they are also being killed. Insecurity in this country. So when we think that only Mandamano is making insecurity, if people read on headlines, people have been killed in Baringo, people have been killed in Samburu, they say that's a government that is not manageable. There's a problem with the leadership. So we have to ask ourselves, did our leaders, when they were chosen, were they really ready to manage the country? Koro, gimewa chon petition ni. Baba, from where I sit, the petition is ready. But who do you give petition when? Everywhere there's a block. Sisi hatuna haja na handshake na. Baba is not looking for handshake, and he has said it several times.
To draw code Kenya gipinje mao koto koro sanibiro bedo machala.
Boro bedo matek, mama. Why am I saying? You saw the Americans. What did the Americans say yesterday? They support demonstration. What the countries that we have in this country are also interested in something for us. They might be interested in trade, they might be interested in business, and most of the time is business, the way Rachel has said. If we can't do business in a country, what is the need of having a relationship with you?
Yeah. Kapo kwa dir green odera ka intiere county